Hello students, welcome back to Maths online class. Today we are going to continue with the same question number, that is question number 3. Subtract and check your answer from page number 47. So the first question have been done for you, 91 minus 45. The second question you can try yourself. Okay, from the third question onwards I am going to do. The remaining 4 sums I will be doing today. Okay. So you will be writing these things in your copy as well. Okay, whatever I am doing here, you will be writing it in the copy as well. So what is the next question? "75 minus 29, isn't it? So first of all, we have to make the column. To do the subtraction. This is ones, this is tens place. Okay, this place is for carry, this is to write 75, this is to write 29, and this is for the minus sign, and this part we are going to use for check. Okay, check your answer. So children, you write it down in your copy along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here we are going to do the addition part. When we do the check, we are doing the addition, isn't it? So we have to write here check. This is for check. So what is the question? 75 minus 29, right? So here from 5 it is not possible, so we are going to rearrange. When we rearrange, 7 will become 6, 5 will become 15, right? Now 15 minus 9 will be, yes, it is 6, and here it is 6 minus 2 will become how much? 4. Okay students, now in the same way we have done in the previous class, we are going to check the answer. How we are going to check the answer? We will write the smaller number, isn't it? Which one is the smaller number here? Smaller number is 29, bigger number is 75, and the difference is 46. So now here we have to write the smaller number first. What is that? 29. Okay, smaller number plus the difference. Difference is 46, right? We have to add these two. So if we are getting 75, that means the bigger number as the answer, as the sum, then our subtraction is correct. So 9 plus 6 is how much? 15, right? So 15, 5 I wrote, 1 is carry. So 4 plus 2, 6, then carry 1 will become how much? It will become 75. Okay, so we got this answer or not? This 75 we got it here, right children? That means our answer is correct. Okay, so I hope you have done it with me. If not, you pause the video and do it. Okay, so let me erase this one and go to a new question. Again the same method we have to do. First of all, I am going to make the columns. This is for subtraction and this column is for addition. Okay, for the check part. Here I am going to write ones, here it is tens, 2, 3, 4. This is to do the subtraction. Divide it into 2 equal parts, ones and tens. So this is for you to write the carry. This is to write the smaller number. This is to write the sum plus, and this is to write the total sum, the last one. So what is the question here? 65 minus 37, right? So let us write here 65, 65 minus 37. Same pattern. Since 5 is smaller than 7, let us rearrange it. Okay, 6 will become 5, and this 5 will become 15. Now 15 minus 7 will be how much? Yes, it will be 8, right? So I have written here 8, then 5 minus 3 will become 2. So now we have to see whether this 28 is correct or not, whether our subtraction is correct or not. For that, what do? We take the smaller number first. What is the smaller number? 37, and the difference is how much? 28. If we add the smaller number and the difference, then we are getting the bigger number. What is the bigger number here? Bigger number is 65. Then our answer is correct. Okay. So 7 plus 8 will be how much? 15. Okay. 15, 1 is carry. Now 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. So we got the answer 65 here, isn't it? Here also 65, the bigger number, and the sum is correct. That means our subtraction is correct. Okay, children? I hope you are understanding it. It is nothing but only once you will do the subtraction, then you will do the addition with the smaller number and a greater number to know the answer, whether the answer is correct or not. So let me change the color, okay, students? It is red color is more clear, isn't it? So this is the column for the next question. So what is the next question? Next question is 55 minus 28. So here you'll write the bigger number. Here you'll write the ones and tens. This place is for you to write the carry. Here you will write the bigger number, that is 55. Here you will write the subtraction symbol and the smaller number. What is the smaller number? 28, and the minus symbol. And this is another column for you to do the addition, for you to do the check. Okay. So here you are going to write ones, here you are going to write tens. Okay. This is for you to write the carry part. Alright. Now this is for you to write the smaller number. When you check the answer, you first write the smaller number. What is the smaller number? That one you will write afterwards. Then here, like this, I have drawn the columns. Now first let us do the subtraction, then we will think of the check part. Okay. So now 5 minus 8 is not possible. So let us rearrange. This 5 will become 4 and this will become 15. Right. Now 15 minus 8 will be how much? Yes. It will be 7, right? 7. Then here it is 4. 4 minus 2 will become 2. Okay. Now let us check the answer. How do we check? In the same method, first we write the smaller number. So the smaller number is 28 plus the difference is how much? Difference is 27, right? So let us add and see, okay, whether our answer is correct or not. So 8 plus 7 will be how much? Yes, how much? 15, right? So we wrote 5 here and 1 is carry. Okay. So 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. How much we got? 55. So the bigger number was also 55 here, and we got the addition answer also 55. That means our subtraction is correct. Okay, children. So you have to write down whatever I have done today. That is question number 3rd, 4th and 5th. 3, 4 and 5 I have done. So these 3 questions you will be writing in your copy, and what I have left is question number 2 and the last one. Okay, question number 2 is 75 minus 54 and 93 minus 58. These 2 questions you will be doing in your textbook itself. Okay, no need to do it in the copy. You will do it in the textbook and do the check part also, and that's it all. So whatever I have done here, you will do in the copy. Okay, children. So only this much. Have a nice day. Thank you so much.